Avoiding the storm. Welcome, everybody. Avoiding the storm. This is January the 3rd, 2013. Welcome, everybody. January 2013. I didn't know we'd make it into 2013. Avoiding the storm. There's a major storm over here by the airport. And we're again. Wow, like I just keep hearing thunder rumble, distant rumbles. Camera isn't lagging as much as it usually does. That means the storm did something to our Wi-Fi. Because in the name of God, our Wi-Fi is usually crappy. This hell's name. So, then I missed another A320. I said another because, no, that's a 767. He's high up. That's the thing. You're higher than you're supposed to be. He's way higher than that MD-80 was. In the aviation community, we all know that MD-80s are far smaller than 767. And it sounds like a CRJ-200. CRJ-200s are like Learjets. They can only carry 50 passengers, but a 767 can carry 286 passengers. And then, of course, the MD-80 can carry 172 passengers on it. Like, dadgummit, we're actually going to be able to see some aircraft this time. So remember, last time we only saw one. Well, the one we did the Beechcraft, we saw two. At least we saw two on camera. I saw three. The Beechcraft, the MD-80, and the one that turned where the camera couldn't see it. Something huge is coming. I hear it, and it's starting to sprinkle on me. 777! Man, 777s are huge! Oh my god, and it's flying low and fast! Oh, that's KLM! Royal Dutch Airline! Woo! I haven't seen that in weeks, actually. See, do you hear that thunder over there, though? It's like boom, boom. That's a bad impression. I don't know how to do thunder impressions yet. You probably couldn't hear it over the 777 engines. But that's what I want you to hear. Don't want you to hear anything else. This is what you call a rainy day jackpot right here. 777. 777 was land, really. Oh, hey, it's starting to rain again. It stopped raining for a second and then it started again. Hey, at least I can get my screen washed off. So it's a video camera, so I don't see. It's a GoPro camera, so I don't see how a screen wash would help. That just makes it worse. I think I'm gonna break my camera if I keep standing out here too long. I mean, if something would hurry up and come. Already here, the next attempter will be a 767. That might be another 777, actually. Nope, A330. I was close. with both of them. But no, not the same company. Oh, Delta Belly. A330 made by Airbus. Airbus A330. And the front of my camera is getting wet. I think I just made a permanent trail of teeth mark. One time I bit into my phone screen, and that hurt. I had to something called tooth surgery. I had to replace my tooth. I don't see why they couldn't just taken the tooth out. They had to replace my tooth with a rubber tooth. They usually do it made out of plastic, but this time it was rubber. Probably just a kid's treatment. Jesus. I've lost track of what age I am. I think lightning just struck me. Ah! Stupid raindrops. Let's see who our next victim is. The storm's next victim. We will be waiting for you. It's probably going to be another huge one since they usually come in batches. Gigantic. That's basically all we've seen. Gigantic aircraft. This is a somersaulting storm. It is summer. Just kidding. Oh, Learjet! Learjet! Ooh, his wings are swept back a lot. I haven't seen one of these Learjets in years. At least since we were at the airport last. Wowie. We really hit the jackpot. I will see you guys later. My battery is at 5.